Hi, Chris AC9KH. I am running the whisper mode on my Flex radio here, and we are running the actual radio software on the iPad here. You can see that we're receiving some whisper signals there, which you can also see on the waterfall here on the WSJTX software. These other two programs that are running are called XCAT and XDAX, and the CAT program provides capability of the digital mode software to control the radio through the iPad for transmit and general radio commands. And the XDAX is that stands for Digital Audio Exchange, and that allows the audio from the iPad. When I have the audio configured here for digital modes, that allows the audio from the iPad to be transmitted to the Mac, which is running the WSJTX software. So this is a completely wireless setup here with the Flex radio. The Flex radio is obviously a software-defined radio, so the radio software runs on like an iPad or a computer. I can also run the radio software on the Mac if I want, but I'm presently just running it on my iPad. And the computer that I'm using is a Mac. It's a Mac Mini with an M1 processor, and yeah, and this is on a frequency of 28,124.600 kilohertz on 10 meters. This is something that technician class operators have full privileges on. You can run this software. We can see the results of what we got here. On my last transmission, I was heard in Costa Rica, up in Alberta, Canada, and several out on the East Coast there, down in Texas, and so on. And that is at 1 watt. You see my RF power is set at 1 watt output. Okay? That was heard by those stations at 1 watt. That just means that I got a really good antenna. Let's go outside and take a look at the antenna. So the antenna that I'm using is up there on that short tower. It is a homemade, actually it's a 6 meter 5/8 wave vertical ground plane that happens to resonate on 10 meters without any tuner required. You can see the design of the antenna there. It has a matching ring at the base of it where the coax is connected. So yeah, that's a homemade antenna. It's made out of just regular electrical conduit, purchased from Menards for less than, I don't know what I got in that antenna, but it's less than $20 anyway. That's the antenna that I just contacted Costa Rica and the East Coast and up in Canada with at 1 watt. Works very, very well. So here we are back in the ham shack, and again, this is something that technician class operators have full privileges on with their license. If you don't like whisper mode, you can run FT8, PSK31. You have full privileges with the digital modes on 10 meters, and for whatever reason, very few technician class operators seem to take advantage of this. And you don't have to run it on an expensive setup like this with a Flex radio and everything, but any HF radio that you can build an audio interface for to interface with a computer to run the software will work. Thanks for watching.